Last week, I posted this question on my Instagram account, and a bunch of you argued on and on about it. The sum of interior angles of polygons. That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell icon if you are interested to know more about these topics. Today, we're going to talk about yung computation ng sum of internal angles ng mga polygons. Importante yan, hindi lang dun sa mga ganyang klaseng tanong, but also when it comes to looking for angles pagdating sa exams like UPCAT, Civil Service, LAE. Akala natin minsan tapos na tayo sa JOM pero hindi pa pala. So yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. I'm going to switch over to my PC so I can explain better. I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, let's talk about yung interior angles ng polygon. And at the end of the video, of course, we're going to have a quick quiz. It's going to be something I put together to combine itong lesson today and a few of the other lessons I already talked about in previous videos. Okay, so just stay tuned until the end para makuha ninyo yon. That's usually the form of question that appears sa exams. Now, this was the question I posted sa Instagram account ko. So, if you don't follow me yet on Instagram, make sure that you do para hindi nyo namimiss yung mga itong klaseng mga quick questions. Kasi doon ko tinitingnan kung anong klaseng topics yung makakatulong sa inyo, ano yung hindi nyo pa masyadong naiintindihan. And I will post a question na medyo related dito sa topic na ito really soon doon just for me to check kung napanood nyo na yung lesson at kung na-a-apply nyo na siya. Okay? Now, the question, angle Q is an interior angle of an octagon. What is the angle's measurement? Okay? And honestly, wala sa kalahati. Wala nga sa 30% ang tumama. So, pag-uusapan natin yan ngayon. Now, let's go to the basics muna. Okay? Anong basics natin? Let's talk about the terms na gagamitin natin throughout this entire lesson. First is yung polygon. Ang polygon is basically yung shape, no, na form ng mga sides or ng mga lines around it. Okay, so for example, this one right here, this is a right triangle. It's a polygon with 3 sides. Okay, so pag sinabing gon, yun lang talaga yun. Kaya marami tayo mga hexagon, heptagon, nonagon, mga ganong klaseng terms. Dun galing dun sa gon na yan. And if you know your English, di ba, yung poly means many. So basically, it's a shape with many sides. You can think of it that way. Okay? Now, ano pa yung mga ibang term? Kailangan natin i-differentiate yung polygon dun sa regular polygon. Anong difference ng polygon lang sa regular polygon? Ang regular polygon actually means na it's a polygon na ang kanyang sides ay equal. So, ibig sabihin, itong triangle na to, dahil kung makikita ninyo, this one right here, okay, this side right here is longer than this, at mas mahaba pa rin ito. Okay, kaya nga tayo may Pythagorean theorem, which I talked about din in another video. Kaya siya may ganon, kasi magkakaiba ng measurement yan. So, ibig sabihin, this one right here is not a regular polygon. Hindi siya regular polygon dahil hindi magkakapareho measurement ng sides. Now, what would a regular polygon look like? It may look like something like this. Okay? This one right here can be an equilateral triangle. Just don't be so strict naman. Baka mamaya sukatin nyo talaga yung nasa screen, no? Again, may mga differences yan depende sa screen. Pero I tried to make this as equal as possible. Ang ibig sabihin lang ng regular polygon is, kung ano yung measurement ng side na to, pareho siya sa lahat ng sides na yan. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng markers na ganito. Pag nakikita nyo sa exam, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, itong side na yan, yung 2 lines, 2 lines, 2 lines, equal siya. Okay? So, kung kaya titigit isang line lang, pwede rin naman yun. Ang importante lang is that pare-pareho siya ng dami. So, yan. Ibig sabihin, equal sila. Now, kung in case makita nyo, 1, 1, tas dalawa dito, ang ibig sabihin nun, itong dalawang sides na to equal, ito, iba siya ng haba. Okay? Just a little bonus right there. If in case you're taking an exam at hindi kayo familiar doon sa itsura na yon. Okay? So, a regular polygon is a polygon na ang sides equal ang measurement. So, merong regular na triangle, regular na quadrilateral, which we also know as a square. May regular na hexagon, regular octagon, regular nonagon. Okay? Ang pinagkaiba again is the size or the length of the sides. Next is the term na interior angle. Ano ba ang interior angle? Ang interior angle is this, okay? Right here. Yan. Ito yung angle na nasa loob. Kaya siya interior, in means sa loob. Kaya inside, di ba? So, interior angle, yung angle na yan. Yung mga yan. Lahat yan ay interior angle. Now, sa case ng regular polygon, dahil pare-pareho ang measurement ng side, ang angles ay pare-pareho rin ng measurement. Equal din sila lahat. Pero for just a polygon, hindi sila necessarily equal. Okay? So, just an important piece of information that you have to remember. Again, pag regular polygon, pati interior angle nila pare-pareho. Okay? Pag hindi regular polygon, pag polygon lang siya, hindi mo sure, hindi mo alam. Next is the exterior angle. Ano ba ang exterior angle? Ang exterior angle is basically, etong isang side, i-extend mo yan dyan. Okay? Tapos, kung mapapasin nyo, magbubuo siya ng isang parang 180 degree na angle na ganyan. Ang exterior angle is this part right here. Yung kadugtong nung interior angle para maging 180 degrees or para maging supplementary sila. Okay? So, if you forgot this already, I have a video lesson on this, yung supplementary at complementary angles. Pero ang ibig sabihin na nun basically is, pag pinagdagdag ko siya at ito, pag pinagsama ko sila, lalabas ay 180 degrees. Okay? So, itong buo kasi na to, 180 degrees. So, dapat ito, okay, yan yung pag binawas mo sa 180. Okay? Now, ang triangles, ang kanyang sum ng interior angles ay 80. So, that means each of these are 60 degrees. Okay? Pag sinabing sum, kasi pinagsama-sama mo sila, kaya nga sum, sama-sama, madaling tandaan sa Tagalog, no? Sum, sama-sama. So, pag pinagsama-sama mo sila, 60 plus 60 plus 60, that is 180. So, ibig sabihin, kung 60 degrees ito, ang kanyang exterior angle is just going to be 180 minus 60. Okay? Dahil, sabi natin, isang buong linya to, 180. So, kung 180 ito lahat, para makuha ko to, itong side lang na to, ibabawas ko lang yung 60 sa 180, lalabas 120 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, if we're talking about a regular triangle or a regular polygon with 3 sides, ang kanyang interior angles ay tig 60, they are all the same, at ang exterior angle niya magiging tig 120 naman siya. 120 rin doon, 120 rin dito. 120 rin kung dito mo siya titingnan. Yun lang ang ibig sabihin ng terms natin. Okay? Now, ano ba yung mga basic na mga information? Now, this is a table right here. The first column is yung shape or yung polygon. Ginawa ko siyang, para mas madaling tandaan, puro S. Shape, sides, and then the sum of the interior angle. So, ditin ko ha, shape is the polygon. Sides, ibig sabihin ilan na ang sides ng shape na yon. And then yung sum ng interior angles niya. Now, we use the sample ng triangle. Ang triangle is a shape or a polygon with 3 sides. At ang sum ng interior angles niya ay 180. Okay, yung ginawa natin kanina. Which means, yung individual na interior angle is just 180 divided by 3 kasi tatlong angle yon. Tapos ang sagot ay tig sa 60 sila. Okay, so ang individual angle, kung regular ang, again ha, kung regular ang polygon, would be 60 degrees. Okay? Next is yung quadrilateral. So, pag sabing quadrilateral, ang quad means 4. So, sides niya ay 4. At ang sum naman ng interior angles niya is 360. Now, if you notice, may trend dito. Kasi yung 180 naging 360. So, it's either, para tong parang number series, which I already talked about din in another video. Some of the speed techniques I only teach sa live tsaka sa online. So, if part kayo of that, abangan nyo na lang yung mga cute na mga techniques ko when it comes to decimals and fractions, no? Anyway, so ito, 180 to 360, it's either times 2 or plus 180. Ang maganda sa math, laging may pattern. Okay? Now, pagbaba natin sa pentagon, which has 5 sides, kaya ang okay, 5. If you notice, ito, hindi kasi siya times 2 pero plus 180 rin siya. Which means, okay, tuwing nagdadagdag ka ng isang side, ito, 720 plus 180 din yan. Tuwing magdadagdag ka ng additional side, magdadagdag ka rin ng 180 degrees sa interior angles niya. Doon nang galing yung formula na usually ginagamit for this. Okay? So again, magsisimula ka sa triangle, 3 sides, 180. At kung tuwing dagdag ng isa, magdadagdag ka ng isa pang 180. Kaya, for problems like this, okay, sabi, what is the sum of the interior angles of a polygon with 12 sides? We use this formula. Ito yung formula na tinuro sa school. Probably kung nag-geometry kayo, second year or third year high school, you probably covered this. Now, if not, pag-aralan na lang natin ngayon. Okay? So, sabi, ang sum daw ng interior angles ay hinahanap, ang polygon mo has 12 sides. Yung n dyan is the number of sides ng polygon. So, kung isa-substitute natin or isa-solve natin siya, this becomes, ang gagawin lang natin, parenthesis, kokopya natin, isa-substitute natin yung sides doon sa n. This becomes 12 kasi 12 yung sides ng polygon na hinahanap natin. Minus 2 times 180 degrees. Okay? So, 12 minus 2 is 10 times 180 degrees. This is 1,800 degrees. Okay? So, PEMDAS lang tayo dyan. Ang magiging sagot is 1,800. Kasi 12 minus 2 is 10. Again, times 180. Yan na yung sagot. Okay? Now, paano naman kung iba yung tanong? Again, this is the formula if we're looking for the sum of the interior angles. Pag sinabing sum, pag pinagsama-sama sila. Now, ano naman ang gagawin natin kung hinahanap ay yung isang interior angle lang? Like for example, sa question na to, sabi, what is the measurement of an interior angle? And, ibig sabihin isa lang, interior angle of a regular polygon with 12 sides. Now, first thing na gusto ko i-point out is this. Very important that it's a regular polygon. Kasi kung hindi siya regular polygon, ibig sabihin, kung hinahanap mo yung interior angle, hindi ka sure. Kasi hindi mo alam kung pantay-pantay ba yung dami ng interior angles niya. Okay? So again, you can only find the individual na interior angle kung regular polygon ang pinag-uusapan. Okay? Using this formula. Ano to formula na to? If you notice this part right here, ito lang yung formula natin kanina for the sum of the interior angles. Okay? Pero gagawin natin, para mahanap natin yung individual or isa lang na angle, i-divide lang natin siya sa kung ilan yung sides. So, yung kanina, which is yung ginawa natin, di ba? Again, copying of yung formula 12 minus 2 times 180 degrees, which we already solved kanina. Same lang naman, 12 sides din yung pinag-usapan kanina. Sabi natin, this is 1,800. Pero dahil ang hinahanap natin individual angle, i-divide lang natin siya uli sa 12. So, 1,800 divided by 12 to get the specific or individual na interior angle. Ano nangyayari sa atin ngayon? We're just basically using the formula to find yung mga information na otherwise, kung hindi, kasi gagawin mo, drawing mo pa siya individual, tapos ipoprotractor mo pa, tapos i-ruler mo pa. So, it will make it harder for you. So, gagawin lang natin dito, 1,800 divided by 12. So, kung gusto mo mag-long cut, that would look like this. 12, 1, 12, that's 600. This is going to give you 5, 0. So, ang sagot ay 150 degrees. Okay? Yan yung answer. So, kung sum ang hinahanap, it's 1,800. Kung individual na angle, na regular ang polygon, it's 150 degrees. Okay? So, balikan natin yung ating question sa Instagram that I posted. Okay? Let's make it bigger para lang mas visual. Ang question is, angle Q is an interior angle of an octagon. What is the angle's measurement? So, again, checklist tayo. Hinahanap individual measurement or individual angle. Ang sabi dito, interior angle siya. Good tayo doon. Kaya lang, an octagon. Walang nakalagay na regular. So, hindi siya regular octagon. At sabi natin, kapag hindi regular octagon, hindi pare-pareho ang measurement ng interior angles. So, ang tamang sagot is you can't say for sure. Yung mga sumagot ng 1080, ang ginawa nila dyan, hinanap nila yung sum of the interior angles. Okay? In degrees. And yung 135 naman ang sagot, ang ginawa nila is basically, hinanap nila yung individual na interior angle. Okay? Kaya lang, sabi nga natin, di ba, dahil hindi siya regular, hindi siya pwedeng maging ganito. So, the answer actually is, you can't say for sure. Now that I feel na medyo kahit papaano meron na kayong core na knowledge of what we're going to do here, let's try to answer this together. Okay? So, I'm going to give you just a few minutes for you to try to figure it out by yourself, and then we're going to go back and answer it together. Okay? So, I'm going to give you 2 minutes and your timer starts now. Alright, so sabi dito, what is the sum of the interior angles of regular polygon A? So again, very important to take note of. Ang sabi, these interior angles have to be equal kasi regular polygon siya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pare-pareho ng dami yung sides na to. Now, hindi sinabi kung ilan yung sides, pero we can count it off. Advice ko sa inyo sa exam, mag-mark kayo. I-mark nyo siya. Bakit? Kasi ang tendency minsan, ewan ko, like nyo na lang to kung nakaka-relate kayo. Yung magbibilang ka, tapos hindi mo alam, saan ba ako nagsimula magbilang? Okay? So, i-mark nyo na lang siya. Sa exam naman, usually, pwede mo sulatan yung inyong test booklet. Sa civil service in particular, pwede nyo sulatan yun. So, sulatan nyo siya. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, ibig sabihin, 9 sides yung meron itong polygon na ito. So, it's a nonagon basically. Now, ano daw ang sum ng interior angles? Formula natin is n minus 2 times 180. So, again, so substitute lang natin. So, 9 minus 2 times 180. So, 9 minus 2 is 7 times 180. Now, if nagme-mental math lang kayo at alam niyo yung technique natin sa times 5, ang ginagawa ko na lang dyan is i-multiply ko siya sa 5 sa utak ko, which is going to give me 180 times 5, 900. Kasi, ano lang dinivide ko lang siya sa 2. 180 divided by 2 is 90 plus 0 sa dulo. And then, dadagdagan ko siya ng times 2. Ang dalawang 180 ay 360. So, this is 1 to 60. So, 1 to 60 degrees. Again, you can also do it naman na 180 times 7 na mano-mano. It's just that this is how I do it pag nagmamadali ako sa exam. So, hopefully, mag-comment to play lahat do mga inaral natin ever since. Yun yung beauty ng math honestly. You can draw from yung mga dati natin na-discuss, magagamit nyo pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Okay? Yung next question is, what is the measurement of each interior angle? So, each interior angle. Now, sabi natin, all we have to do then would be, pag nakuha na natin, of course, yung sum ng interior angles, which is 1 to 60, na pag-usapan na kanina, ang gagawin na lang natin para makuha ang individual angle is, i-divide mo lang siya sa kung ilan yung sides, which is 9. So, yun din ang gagawin natin here. So, this is 1 to 60 divided by 9, 1, tapos 36, 9, 18, 27, 36, 4, 0. So, 140 degrees per interior angles. So, ito ang sagot na yan dito sa number 2. Ito ang sagot sa number 1. Okay? Now, again, if you know the formula, hindi ka masyadong ninervyusin. Kung gusto niyo magmano-mano na yung table, alam niyo yun, yung magdadagdag ka lang na magdadagdag ng 180, pwede niyo rin gawin. Whatever method suits you better. Okay? Now, I don't want you guys to end this lesson nang hindi nyo nakikita yung isa pang form na kung paano nyo ma-encounter yung ganitong tanong sa exam. Most people kasi magtatanong sa akin, Coach, ganyan po bang klase talaga yung tanong na lalabas? Honestly, hindi naman natin sure. Kasi kung gano'n, leakage na ang tawag doon at pandaraya na yon. Okay? Kaya hindi ko rin dinidiscuss yung mga questions na lumabas sa previous na exams. Kahit yung iba sa inyo natatandaan or they send it over to me, I make sure that I revise them or I just focus on the same topic, not the actual question. Kasi again, sharing is caring but stealing is still stealing and illegal yon, bawal yon gawin. Pero one thing na napapansin ko is yung topics, again, are the same. And one of the things na lumalabas ay yung ganitong klaseng puzzle. Ito yung puzzle na binibigay sa inyo yung isang polygon or limited na information about something and you have to figure out kung ano yung measurement ng isang angle. So what I want you to do for the next 3 minutes, I'm going to give you some time to think about it, is to think of a way kung paano nyo gagamitin yung mga natutunan ninyo ngayon at sa iba ring mga lessons para makuha yung tamang sagot sa tanong na ito. And now, this question is not just for civil service exam. Pwede siya for UPCAT, pwede siya for LAE, for PhilSat. Ganitong klaseng mga tanong. So, I want you to focus and you're going to answer this for the next 3 minutes. Your timer starts now. All right, let's see how you did. So sabi dito, given that L is a regular hexagon and Q is a right triangle, find angle Y. All right. So again, kailangan natin ng onting stretch sa imagination. And if you want more videos like this, dito sa topic na to in particular, let me know para ma-cover ko siya soon. Kailangan kong, kailangan kong i-focus to kung kailangan talaga. Okay? So, eto na. Sabi dito, meron daw tayong L na regular hexagon. Pag sabi hexagon, kasi meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 6 na sides. Okay? So, kung 6 sides siya, ang hinahanap daw is yung angle Y. Ang tanong natin, paano tayo makakarating dyan? Now, ang gagawin lang natin, isa-isay natin information na meron na tayo. Okay? Ang sabi si Q naman daw is a right triangle. Pag sabing right triangle, ibig sabihin nun, yung isang angle, which is this right here, yung may box, yan ay automatic 90 degrees. Alright? Pero itong part na to, hindi natin alam kung ano to. Hindi rin natin alam kung ano yon. Okay? Pero if you notice, this part right here, diretso siya. So, para siyang external angle nitong L. Irregular polygon naman siya. So, pwede natin gamitin yung technique na ginagamit natin kanina. Which means, pag nahanap ko ito, kung ilan ito, pwede ko siyang kunin at gamitin ko para mahanap ito. Okay? Which in turn, matutulungan ako na mahanap yung angle Y. Okay? Ulitin ko yon ha. Kung makahanap ko yung interior angle ng polygon na L, ito yon. Actually, lahat yan. Pare-pareho lang naman yan. Pero ito, in particular, at nahanap ko yan, pwede ko yung gamitin para makita ko ito, para makita ko yon. Okay? So, simulan natin muna dun sa interior angles ng polygon L or ng regular hexagon. So, ang formula natin is going to be, sabi natin, yung N minus 2 times 180. Tapos, i-divide natin siya sa kung ilan yung sides, which is N din. Okay? Or in this case, since 6 yung N, this will be 6 minus 2 times 180 all over 6. Or 4 times 180. Okay? Tapos, ang gagawin natin over 6. Now, 4 times 180, that is 4 times 100, 4 times 80, 8, 16, 24, 32. So, 720. Yan, pareho lang yan sa 720 divided by 6. Kung i-divide ko yan, this will give me 1. Okay, ganyan lang yung ginawa ko. 720 divided by 6, 1. Tapos, ibababa natin yung 12 to 0. 120 degrees. Ito yung interior angle. Ito yan. 120 degrees. Now, next, again, ang hinahanap natin is this right here. And para makita natin yan, sabi natin, itong buong to ay 180 degrees kasi they are supplementary angles. So, kailangan yung 180 na yan daw ay yung 120 plus kung ano man yung nawawalang angle na yan. So, ibabawas lang natin yung 120 sa 180. So, 180 minus 120, maiiwanan ka ng 60 degrees. Okay? Which means, itong angle na yan ay 60 degrees. Now, paano ko malalaman yung angle Y? Di ba? Pinag-usapan na natin since kanina. Ang interior angles ng triangle, okay, ay 180 degrees. Ang sum ng interior angles ng triangle ay 180. So, kung 180 dapat yung total, meron ka ng 90. Okay, 180 degrees equals 90. Ito na 90 ka. Tapos ito may 60 ka dyan. 60 plus yung nawawala, which is yung Y. So, all you have to do is to solve for this. So, 180 is equal to 150 plus Y. At para makuha mo yung Y, ilipat ko lang yung 150 sa kabila. 180 minus 150 or 30. So, ibig sabihin nun, itong angle Y is 30 degrees. Kasi pag in-add mo yung 90, 60 at 30, mabubuo mo yung 180. Okay? So, the answer is 30 degrees. Now, ganun yung creativity or ganoon yung diskarte ko paano makarating dun sa angle Y. And again, for many exams, may ganitong klaseng lumalabas. Minsan, hindi pa nga naka-drawing eh. Minsan, ikaw pa yung mag-iisip paano mo bubuin yung mga exterior angles, paano mo mahanapin yung mga shapes na yan. And honestly, it's something that you need to really practice. Pero once na nakuha nyo siya, ang sarap-sarap sa feeling kapag natutunan nyo to. So, if you follow me on Instagram, make sure that you follow me and check yung mga quick questions that I post. I'll post something that looks like this really soon. Hopefully, magamit ninyo yung natutunan nyo ngayon for that kind of question. Now, if you want me to make a dedicated video na just for this lesson, just comment sa baba. Try natin kung pwede pa nating padaliin for you guys. Okay?
Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends lalo na kung mag-exam din sila. That way, mas marami tayong matulungan. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, do follow me at Lyqa Maravilla for more quick questions. Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon para wala kayong ma-miss. And if you want to reach out to me directly, you can go to www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa for more information on my reviewers, the review events, and the online review program. Thank you guys, and as always, as we say dito sa channel, never stop learning. Aja, kaya yan. I'll see you in the next video, and bye for now.